In a grand ceremony that captivated the world, an extraordinary honor was bestowed upon Taehyung, the King of England, as his fandom celebrated his remarkable reign with unparalleled enthusiasm and adoration. The fervor surrounding this charismatic monarch and his dedicated followers, known as the Taehyungjins, has elevated the monarch to iconic status, transcending traditional boundaries between royalty and popular culture. Taehyung's fandom, the Taehyungjins, is a global community of passionate supporters who have embraced the king not only for his royal status but also for his artistic talents and charismatic personality. Unlike conventional royal enthusiasts, Taehyungjins go beyond the conventional boundaries of royalty and immerse themselves in the multifaceted world of their beloved king. They celebrate his accomplishments as an artist, advocate for social causes, and admire his charismatic presence that extends beyond the regal confines. The extraordinary honor bestowed upon Taehyung is marked by 25 facts that encapsulate the unique connection between the monarch and his devoted fandom. Global influence: the Taehyungjins span the globe, demonstrating the global impact of their beloved monarch. Artistic brilliance: King Taehyung is celebrated not only for his royal duties but also for his exceptional artistic talents, including singing and acting. Philanthropy: Taehyung is actively involved in charitable endeavors, and his fandom follows suit, supporting various causes around the world. Fashion icon: the king's impeccable sense of style has turned him into a fashion icon, with the Taehyungjins closely following his sartorial choices. Cultural ambassador: King Taehyung has become a cultural ambassador, bridging gaps between nations and fostering international understanding. Unprecedented social media presence: the king's social media accounts boast millions of followers, showcasing his global popularity. Unique fan events: Taehyungjins organize unique fan events, from flash mobs to charity drives, showcasing their dedication. Royal art history: the king's artistic pursuits are a source of inspiration for his fandom, with fan art and fan fiction reaching new heights. Educational initiatives: Taehyungjins are known for supporting educational initiatives, reflecting the king's commitment to knowledge and learning. Innovative fan projects: the fandom engages in innovative projects, from collaborative art installations to charity fundraisers. Diverse demographics: the Taehyungjin community is diverse, transcending age, nationality, and cultural backgrounds. Cultural exchange: King Taehyung encourages cultural exchange within his fandom, fostering a sense of unity. Mental health advocacy: the king and his fandom actively support mental health initiatives, promoting well-being and positivity. Digital kingdom: the king's digital kingdom is marked by hashtags and trending topics that dominate social media platforms. Loyalty beyond borders: Taehyungjins showcase unwavering loyalty, transcending geographical boundaries. Literary pursuits: King Taehyung's literary interests inspire the creation of fan literature and poetry within the fandom. Environmental stewardship: both the king and his followers champion environmental causes, promoting sustainability. Culinary celebrations: Taehyungjin communities organize culinary events inspired by the king's favorite dishes. Royal merchandise: the fandom actively engages in supporting and creating royal merchandise, contributing to the economic ecosystem. Virtual gatherings: in the digital age, Taehyungjins come together for virtual gatherings, strengthening their global bond. Inclusive community: the fandom prides itself on being inclusive, fostering a sense of belonging for all members. Symbol of unity: King Taehyung serves as a symbol of unity, bringing together people from diverse backgrounds. Educational initiatives: Taehyungjins are known for supporting educational initiatives, reflecting the king's commitment to knowledge and learning. Humanitarian efforts: the king's philanthropic endeavors inspire Taehyungjins to actively engage in humanitarian efforts worldwide. Legacy of love: the extraordinary honor bestowed upon Taehyung is not just a celebration of his reign but a testament to the enduring love and admiration that his fandom holds for their beloved king.